In this video, we're going to show you how to properly put your trumpet together. First, we're going to take a look at the case. Just like the other instruments, you want to make sure that your case is in the upright position before you open it. So take a look at your case. Yours might be different. I have a little indent here for the top. The bottom is flat. You may have a sticker or some sort of sign for the brand of instrument you play, or maybe the company you rent from. Look for that. Make sure that is on the top. Also, the latches always open from the bottom. So if you have it on the bottom, you are in the correct position. The hooks are on the top. So once you have it in the correct position and you open the latches, there's your trumpet. The trumpet is pretty simple. You're probably just going to have a spot for your mouthpiece and the trumpet itself. The pieces of instrument, a mouthpiece, bell, your lead pipe, and then you have 3 piston valves. 1, 2, 3, very important to remember. 1, 2, 3. To assemble the instrument, you're going to take it out of the case. Hold with your left hand here. Take the mouthpiece, put it in the lead pipe. Now you're going to put it in as straight as you can with a little twist. That's all you need. Just slide it in till it stops. Little twist. That's all. To properly play your trumpet, you're going to sit at the edge of your seat with a nice straight back. When you lift the trumpet, you're going to lift and hold it straight out. None of this stuff into your stand. The bell goes out. And when you stand, it's the same thing. To disassemble the trumpet is very easy. You're going to twist the mouthpiece just slightly, and it should come right out. And it goes right back into the case. Now, making sure that you put the bell in the correct way so that the instrument does not lie on the slides. You just slide it back into position. There you are. You'll know that it's not correct if you put it in this way. 1, it's not going to fit, and 2, you're pressing the valves. You're putting pressure on these slides right here. So you want to make sure those are up and it's totally in position. When you close your case, make sure you latch it every time.